Stop aging and turn it around. Do not give up on your beauty. For you to remain beautiful anytime and anywhere easily, we will make your skin young again. See for yourself how different you look. A home care solution for you. Narcipia Narsonic HIFU device. To protect your skin, we now roll out the HIFU device empowered by our long-standing data and experience. Wherever, whenever. In just 15 minutes, you can turn any place, anywhere you stay into a skin care shop. HIFU, high-intensity focused ultrasound, technology that is easy on your skin. Directly works on 3.0 millimeter deep collagen fibrils of the human skin corium, lifting loose skin folds to restore elasticity and contour. Comfortable grip ensured by an ergonomic handle design. HIFU device requiring no additional cartridge purchase. It will last you a lifetime and can even be used by the whole family. The ultrasound intensity is adjustable to fine-tune skincare effects. How to use. Wash your face clean. Apply a reasonable amount of gel and slowly spread it around your face with Narsonic pressed lightly on your face. When you are done, wipe off or gently tap the remaining gel into your skin. Apply ample and smear foundation products. Using Narcipia skincare line can further improve the effects of the HIFU device. Filling, lifting, and pulling to keep it elastic to the end. Perfection of overwhelming skin elasticity care. Simple and easy. You can start skin anti-aging routines at home. Forehead wrinkles, eye rim wrinkles, laugh lines, loose skin folds, and very expensive skincare costs. Your skin deserves care. Change your skin in just 15 minutes. It only takes 15 minutes for your skin to change. A home skincare solution for you. Narcipia Narsonic HIFU device. for you to remain beautiful anytime and anywhere easily. We will make your skin young again. See for yourself how different you look.